Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco, all smartphone, pattern password, finger unlock. Very easy. Forget password, finger pattern, forget mail. This solution. First, power of this device. Power off. Then volume up and power key. Press volume up and power key with few seconds. Press 2 button. Release power key button. Then press only power off button. Press volume down button. Select wipe data. Then power key. Then wipe all data. Then confirm. Formatted this data. Okay, data wiped successfully. Then back button. Then reboot system. Then reboot this phone. This phone is Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. Redmi Note 8. Pattern password, MI lock, screen lock. Any screen lock remove. Any mobile, any smartphone, screen lock remove. Very easy. Follow this video. Any MIUI phone, screen lock reset, delete formatted data. Very easy. Then next, moreover next. Wi-Fi not connect, then skip. More and accept. Then skip. Then complete. Setup completed. Screen lock formatted. Okay, no any screen lock related. Okay.